Avsender.
Hoover, you fucking bitch!
No, this is Salazar. I'm surprised you didn't find out sooner.
Cut and paste, huh?
Yeah.
I'm going to dip you in sulfuric acid.
That's so? Well, best of luck, Av. On my part of New Zealand.
Where the fuck did he go?
Time to die! You...
Transponder code. Now!
Fine. 52916.
How to get moving. Any last words?
All these years. And still no bitches! I had 506.
Okay, and?
Well...
So, like, Khan's dead. Off killed him.
I knew that happened.
You knew what?
Anyways, this means I'm going to fight him myself.
Well, why can't I fight him? I can take him.
He has proved stronger than we thought. But, well, anyways, I have this for you.
Okay, thanks, but you still didn't answer my question. I can just go kill him. I can just go after him.
If he killed Khan, well, I think he'll be too strong for you.
You're saying I'm weak?
You're dead weight.
Fuck you. I'm gonna kill him myself.
Alright, have your vengeance. Hello, welcome to, Waltesco. We kind of like combined our stores.
Interesting.
Yeah. You're our first customer in like 12 years.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, there's been a lot of wars going on.
Yeah. Hold on, what's that behind you?
That's a jacket.
Gonna buy that.
Yeah, $20. Oh, damn,
There you go. What?
And I dropped my wallet. Have you seen it anywhere?
No, I haven't. Let me just, look through, let me just... Oh, wait, there it is. I found it.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you.
I also found like $20.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Alright, would you like to buy anything else?
I think I'm good. Wait a minute.
What?
What's this?
Oh, that's a bomb.
I'll take that.
And
I'll take it for free too. Thank you. Alright, see ya. Have a good day.
Sir, yeah. Was that Dwight D. Eisenhower?
Well, fancy meeting you here.
You knew I'd come, didn't you? I suppose I should thank you for sparing me some soldiers at the Capitol.
Only a psychopath would say
You know,
that.
For a president, you sure shit at your job.
Doesn't matter. The big payoff is the invasion.
All the land that Indians will get off the invasion. What a payoff.
I'm not talking about land, Arv. I'm talking ideals.
What?
Ah, forget it. We've both heard enough speeches of higher causes by now. Fuck Salazar. This is between us. Our last duel was cut short.
What does that matter?
A lot. You stabbed me with a USB. Not a fair fight if you ask me.
I know what you're here for. And it ends right now.
Okay. Let's dance!
Just you and me, Arv. Pathetic. Pathetic. Show me what you really believe in. Is this all the mailman has to offer? Say goodnight.
Fuck you.
Show me a good time, Mom. Crazy boy. Now this is a real fight. Say goodnight. Pretty boy. Just getting started.
Is this done now?
I guess so.
I need to go kill Salazar.
Good luck.
Welcome to my store, sir. Would you like it?
Shut up! Oh my god!
Well, you lost, didn't you? What'd you expect?
I don't know. I just thought it would be different this time.
You always lose.
Well, you're the one who programmed me.
Maybe. But you should be stronger than this.
All right, you little bastard, come here. Okay, where is this fucking thing? Oh my god. It was under there.
Fucking bitch! You all this work. Fuck you!
You're a little late. If there'd been an actual threat of demons, we'd all be dead by now. Thanks for taking care of Khan. Never really liked that guy anyways.
You fucking bitch. It was you all along. You're the only demon here.
Well, not really. You see, Khan, he just wanted to fight, but he had no greater plan. Now, I am no demon, you see. Obama's true second.
Obama's dead. And soon, you will be too.
Is that any way to talk to your father?
What the fuck are you talking about?
I knew you'd slaughter the factory, butcher the NIS, defeat Eisenhower in combat twice, as well as killing Khan. But all these were just the mere tests to see if you are worthy.
Bitch. You ruined me.
No, perfected you. I even cut your hair. See that crown? Belonged to the first base lord. Obama despised crowns, but I guess you like that one.
How are you so powerful?
Obama taught me his ways, giving me his power. Don't worry, I'll return it. Along with my base license, it grants me immunity to damage. I can't be killed with it.
About that base license. Burn! 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 Alright, fine. We'll do it this way then.
Eisenhower, you never quit, dude. We're stuck to building roads.
Still stuck to being Obama's bitch.
What? Nice laser sword you got. You know, Obama made that gun. He feared my power. Soon, you shall as well.
Fuck you!
Let's go.
Hell are you thinking?
It's time to die, eh? Check out this cool bug I found.
Oh shit.
Harder to kill than I thought. About time we ended this. I have one last test for you of, or should I say, son. If you're gonna stop my plan, you'll have to kill me. You already knew that.
I had a feeling you'd say that. Time to finish this, Salazar. Once and for all. Okay. As Eisenhower would say, let's dance.
Chicanery. Is running in blind all you can do? Show me your motivation. This is the greatest fight of my life. Your technique lacks something. Killing you like this has no purpose. My power shall become absolute. Chicanery, Avsender. Chicanery. That's what happens when you bring some knife to a sword fight. We're gonna need another clone. The last one was a disappointment.
This isn't over yet.
Impressive. Most impressive. That would have been enough to kill most people, but looks like you're stronger than I expected. I'm not limited by being Hoover anymore, so I can unleash my full potential. All would go so easy on me this time. Still just a boy.
Well, at least I'm not the one who got caught off guard and shot in the back. I think it's about time we
Finish this. That's a piece of shit. Round two. Alright, wait, now. It's past your bedtime, son. You're gonna die. No, you are. Is this really what you call power? Show me your motivation. Fighting a losing battle. If I were you, I'd pull back before you get crushed. All right. You know what? I'm getting tired of this. Fucking bitch! Oh, there's one more thing I need to tell you.
Diet's Aaron, I
What?
base lord.
Looking down on the cars on the highway, the stream of taillights, everybody dancing together, do so willingly sacrifice rights. When people accept their cogs in the system, give up free will conform, individual pieces of the swirl together, become a force. Looking down on the virgin insane, the skyscrapers rise, even men with the greatest intentions stop believing their own lies. Far from the future, unnatural something's got to pay. The only way out of the cycle is to strike out and pave your own way. We all fight our own fight. Will you fuel the desire of men? Always struggling with the truth of the life that might have been. But no matter how jagged your path is, you'll always come back to the road. When the dust of the battle settles, the war still rages within.
Damn thing. Who is this?
Is this Agent Malcolm?
How'd you get this number?
It's the advisor of New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yes, it's really bad over here. We could use your help.
Is it Obama?
No, worse. There's a new base lord.
Salazar?
No, he killed Salazar. It's Avsender. His guards, they're watching me. I have to go. If you want to save us, meet me in New Zealand.
Wait. What? Should have paid my power bill. Johnny, got a call from New Zealand. There's a new base lord.